How to fix Snipping Tool opening automatically in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, select Accessibility from the left menu. On the left side, scroll down to the Interaction section. Click on Keyboard. From the next page, turn off Use the print screen key to open screen capture. Now the snipping tool should not open randomly. If that didn't work, now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.